All my days are spent, all my cards are dealt.
Today,
Oh, the
April 22, 2019,
desolation grows.
I'm going to propose to the most perfect woman in the world.
Revealed as my heart is pierced, oh, my soul is now exposed.
Ngayon papunta na kami sa venue kung saan ko gagawin yung marriage proposal ko for Jen. Ang alam nyo talaga, post birthday celebration ko to, hindi niya alam na may nakaset up na sa Casa San Pablo. Kasama ko ngayon yung nanay ko, si Ninang at saka si Gracie.
And back again to believe I walk alone. Is a lie that I've been told. So let your heart hold fast, for this soon shall pass, like the high tide.
Labanan nga ako maghapon. Dumating.
Opo.
Ikaw nga naglag yung pering mo. Hawakan mo yung pering mo, ate Jen. Huwag kang madaya.
Oh, ito po ito.
Ay, isabi po.
I will always remember the days na inaabangan lang kita mula sa pantry during our coffee break. And every time I see you, I would always be mesmerized by your charming and ladylike appearance. Before I met you, I never really knew what I wanted. I spent so many years searching for the one. But then, I started praying. Hinayaan ko na siya naman yung manguna sa akin. Hinayaan ko na siya yung mag-lead sa akin to the right person. At dumating ka nga. He is so amazing. He brought you to me when the time was perfect. And truly, meeting you is one of the best things that has happened to me. God answered my prayers with you. From the start of our relationship, you have proved you are the love I waited and prayed for. He brought me someone who is far greater than I could ever imagine. Someone who grows alongside with me and chooses me every single day. You are the most genuine person I have ever met. I love everything about you. I love everything that you are and all that you're not. Gusto kong malaman mo na I appreciate you so much. I appreciate everything that you do for this relationship. Masayang masaya at kontento ako sa'yo. Salamat. Thank you for showing me what it truly means to love someone. Thank you for always seeing the best in me. Salamat sa tiwala. Thank you for all the times that you have shared with me. Thank you for being my best friend. And most of all, thank you for being you. You are the only person I could imagine myself happily growing old with. Wala na akong gustong gawin sa future na hindi ka kasama. Every victory, every defeat, I wanted to share with you. Every blessing, every memory, gusto ko kasama ka. You are my biggest blessing. Alam ko, wala na akong dapat pang hilingin sa kanya. Because as long as I have you in my life, I got everything I ever wanted. At ang gusto ko na lang gawin is to spend the rest of my life making you as happy as you have made me. Jeneline Garcia Haplos, mahal na mahal kita. Will you spend the rest of your life with me?
Kaya sabihin pa ako. Parang lang sa'yo na eh. Ano mo ha? Jess. Para sa'yo. Would you marry me?
Yes.
Kita congrats.
Be brave. How can I love when I'm afraid to fall? But watching you stand alone, all of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow. One step closer.
Kotse ni ano, Julia.
I have died every day waiting for long. I believed I will find you. Time your heart to me. I have loved you for 1,000 years. For 1,000.
Picture mo lang tayo.
Sige, sige. Lahat muna, lahat ng participant. Kasal ka na. Kasal ka na. Pangit daw suot ko, sabi niya.
Hindi, nagpaalam ba, Nay?
Na?
Nagpaalam na?
Nagpaalam na siya ay kapatid. Noong pa nasa La Union na ako, sinabi na niya.
Hindi kita.
Pag hindi ka magaling na photographer.
Sana'y di tayo magbago. Nasaan ba ito ang pangarap ko? Makuha mo ba kaya ako'y hagan at yakapin?
Bagay sing mo. Saan galing yan?
Hanggang sa pagtanda natin.
Hindi nga nakapalapad dito dyan.
Nagtatanong lang sa'yo.
This year!
Kaya'y ibigin mo.
Ay, patay. Ba't ka nag-kiss?
Kung tayo ay matanda na, sana'y di tayo magbago. Kailanman, nasaan may ito ang pangarap ko. Makuha mo ba kaya ako'y hagan at yakapin? Hanggang sa pagtanda natin. Nagtatanong lang sa'yo, ako pa kaya'y ibigin mo? Kung maputi na ang buhok ko. Pagdating ng araw, ang iyong buhok ay puputi na rin. Sabay tayo mangangarap ng nakaraan natin. Ang nakalipas ay ibabalik natin. Ipapaalala